Huge opportunity. Hitachi Energy is hiring a Power BI analyst. Want to work in a global tech hub with 2600 GR1 engineers? Looking for an exciting career in Power BI and data analytics? This job is for you. So, location Chennai, company Hitachi Energy, Indian Operations Center, INOPC. Role Power BI analyst. Why should you apply? Work on a global scale. Hitachi Energy operates in ATGR1 countries A. Be part of a world class analytics team supporting business units worldwide. In enhance your career with cutting edge tools like Power BI, SAP, S4 HANA, SQL, Azure, and Power Apps. HA. Develop and maintain advanced dashboards and analytics solutions. Great learning experience in a collaborative, innovative environment. Key responsibilities: develop and maintain Power BI dashboards, create reports, KPI scorecards, and visual insights, data modeling and analysis, use DAX, Power Query, and SQL for advanced data calculations, MADI performance monitoring, extract and analyze data from various sources, data security and optimization, implement row level security, RLS, and optimize performance globally, work across stakeholders globally, work across time zones with a diverse international team, SharePoint and knowledge portals, maintain online document libraries, and create interactive portals, training and support, help teams understand and use Power BI dashboards effectively. Who can apply? Power BI experts, strong experience in DAX, Power Query and SQL, SAO DA negative 100, certified, even better, SAO, Keva familiar with SAP, S4 HANA, Azure, SQL Data Warehouse, huge plus. Strong MS Office skills, Excel and PowerPoint are a must. Gazi experience in Teams and SharePoint, bonus points. Great communication skills and willingness to work across time zones. Pro tips to get this job. Uh, Highlight your Power BI projects. Have you built a dashboard before? Show it. IE showcase tax and data modeling skills. Employers love advanced calculations. Azure mention your experience with SAP SQL or Azure. This gives you an edge. AB proactive and showcase analytical thinking. Can you turn raw data into business insights? LIU. Prepare for behavioral and technical questions. Research Power BI scenarios and case studies. Update your LinkedIn profile. Recruiters check your online presence. This is a golden opportunity to work with a global leader in power grids and analytics. Don't miss out, apply now. Updates, like, share, and subscribe for daily job updates. Follow me for more career tips and job alerts. Number Power BI jobs number, Hitachi Energy number, hiring now number, career growth number, ultimate job alert,